Welcome back, I'm Gina, and today I'm opening up this One Piece box, Awakening of the New Era, OP-05. I am so excited. I have no idea what kind of cards we're gonna get from this, but I'm really hoping for a manga card. Is that big thinking? Big wishful thinking? I don't know, but I'm really excited. Let's get started. No promotional? What the? I kind of missed the promotional cards. Why don't they do that? Look at it. It's so pretty already. Pack number 1. Here we go. I'm so excited already. Woo. Oh, something's back there. I'm not checking for leaders this time. We're just gonna go ahead with it. Uncommon? A purple Luffy? We don't have this one yet. We have this one and Lindbergh. Ooh, and a shiny Dawn card. I like those too. Pack number 2. Oh, what are we gonna get? Okay. I'm so excited to see what we're gonna get. Bunny Joe, that was an interesting name, but they're a blocker. Ooh, a red counter. Uncommon. Uncommon. Another uncommon. Ooh, a purple Zoro. That's cool. And a koala. Nice. Those are cool. Love them. Okay. All right, pack number 3. Here we go. I'm so excited. Uncommon. Oh, another Enel. We got a leader. A blue Drake. And Karasu. I've never seen these guys before. Like these cards before. I ain't never seen those. Pack number 4. Let's go. What did we get? Oh, I forgot to put this one to the side, but. Little Chopper. Chopper Iman. Oh, there's probably some like red cards here I might be able to like integrate into mine. Uncommon. A Beppo. And an event card. Okay, pack number 5. We didn't get anything really fancy yet, so I think we're due for a fancy card this time. Whatever is gonna be, it's gonna be fancy. Bunny Joe. Let's see. Oh, Vivi. And another event card. Alright, this is pack number 6. Seen a lot of the same common cards, which I think is normal. There's an uncommon. Garb. Ooh, another Vivi and ooh, that's a cool one. Kid, super rare. Pack number 7. Lucky number 7, obviously. Ooh, uncommon is a Frankie. Oh, another purple Luffy. Gadatsu. And Killer. Oh, there's something else underneath. Ooh, another Dawn. Very nice. Alright, pack number 8. You specifically told me not to be too slow. Dalmatian? Is Dalmatian Garp? Okay, uncommon. Morley. And Rebecca! We got an alt Rebecca. Ooh, that's pretty cool. It's so pretty, like the flakes and the petals. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Hell yeah. Okay. Pack number 9. Oh, that was an interesting card. Uncommon. Ooh, Hina at the Navy. And, ooh, a secret rare Monkey D. Luffy. Excuse me? That's a cool card. All right, this is pack number 10. Just slices the top of the cards off by accident. Whoops. Okay, uncommon. Sakazuki. I think this one is actually banned. Mancherie and Rosinante. I thought it was Rosadante, but it's Rosinante. He's a blocker. Ooh. This is pack number 11. I lost count already. Baby 5 and Shirahoshi. Cool. They're both rare cards. Very nice. Pack number 12. That means we're halfway through the box already. Snip. I love Sanji so much. I'm such a simp for Sanji, like, yes. But also Zoro. Uncommon. Uncommon. Ooh, Fire Fist. Ooh, and Ulti. Very cool. This Fire Fist I might be able to use in my red deck, if it makes sense. All right, we're halfway through the box. Kyle, can you please hand me my latest painting over there? I want you guys to see my latest painting that I'm working on. Ready for this? It is at some point going to be up on my website with the rest of my paintings that are already there and prints, but it's 4-sword style Zoro. I just thought I would show you. It's not done yet. I just started it yesterday, working on it for a couple hours, but you can find all sorts of paintings and prints on my website, on my art shop. The link is in my bio. You should check it out. Okay, this is pack number 13. That means we're on the second half of the box. Is the box half full or half empty, Kyle?
Half empty.
Sad.
Almost gone.
Uncommon. Ooh, an uncommon Dofi. What? Another Gadatsu and Sabo. Oh, I might need this for my red deck. Knock out up to 2 of your opponent's characters with a total power. Oh, total power of 4,000. Maybe that's not as strong as I thought it was, but. Pack number 13. Wait, that was 13. This is pack number 14, actually. That alt leader is coming. I can feel it. Karasu and Hound Blaze. Very cool. Box. I mean, pack number 15. I mean, it's not a box. Pack number 15. Ready? Another Sakazuki. Shura. Ooh, and 200 million volts. Interesting. Very cool. They're both Sky Island, actually. This is pack number 16 out of this box. I didn't shuffle the packs or anything, but should I? Does that make it more interesting? Probably not. It's probably the same. Ooh, Rosinante is actually a leader too? Huh? That's cool. Bello Betty and Virgo. We have this one already. I've never seen this one before. Also, I've never seen this one before. Huh? Your leader can be used as a blocker. You may rest this card to make it the new target of attack. If you have 6 or less life cards in your hand, set this leader as active. I've never seen that leader before. Interesting that but it makes sense why he'd be able to be the blocker. All right, pack number 17. I'm still like faithful that we're getting our alt leader and we're getting a manga card at some point, you know? The Birdcage. Dragon Claw. Baby 5 and ooh, Pika. That's a alt card Pika. That's cool. Dang. Pack number 18. Ooh. Ooh, Bello Betty, Hina, and an event. All right, pack number 19. Here we go. Another Sabo, an event card, and Morley. Pack number 20. There's only 4 more left after this. Big sigh. But also big happy, because like, these cards are cool. I always go through my deck later and see if there's cards that I need to put in there. You know, might have to alter my decks again at some point. Uncommon, Killer, and Rob Lucci. Super rare and rare. Cool. Pack number 21. Baby 5. Uncommon. Uncommon. We got Ohm. And Isho. Ooh. I've never seen the Isho one before. 22.
I know how to count all the way to 55.
Dofi. Onami. Another Fire Fist, and ooh, Enel. That's a super rare Enel. That's cool. They have Rush. If this character would leave the field, you may trash 1 card from the top of your life cards instead. If there is a Monkey D. Luffy character, this effect is negated. Ooh, that's actually, that might be good in my yellow deck, just saying. I don't know, maybe. Okay, pack number 23. Satori and an event. Patchwork. All right, we are down to the very last pack. It's empty now. Pack number 24. There we go. What do you think is in it, Kyle? You want to like rub it for good luck?
The alt leader, maybe?
We'll get our alt leader. Shirahoshi and Rebecca. Oh, that's like the regular one. So we got the regular one and the alt one in this one. Very cool. We did not get our manga card or our alt leader in this one, but I'm still hopeful that the next box we get is gonna be something. So here's a bunch of the really awesome cards that we got today. We got this Monkey D. Luffy. It's a secret rare card. This one, it looks so cool. The Anel looks really sick. This Rebecca, how much did you say the Rebecca was worth?
Like 27 bucks or something.
That's not too bad. 27 bucks. The card is so pretty. So this is the super rare one, and then this is the alt art of it. So it's so pretty. I love the Tontadas in that one. We've got a Rob Lucci. We got the alt art for Pika. This one is super cool too. A Sabo, an Ulti, and a Koala. Maybe I'll have to build a Revolutionary Army red deck or something. Who knows? Alright, well, thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun opening up these cards and getting all these really sick arts as well. If you like this video, you might like this one. See you on the next one. Bye!